Mrglas USB-C cables that have USB-C on one side and USB-A on the other. With the USB-C side, it is a 90-degree angle. The sizes are 10, 6, 3.3, and 1.6 foot. Comes in this nice paper package. Here's the 90-degree angle. It is USB-C, so I should be able to do any orientation I need. Braiding, very flexible actually, which is nice. On the other end with the USB-A, looks good. Seems to be metallic and the gold colored metal on there. Very nice. Comes with this little clamp for shipping, I assume. Works really well. Cool. And it has the hook and loop for easy storage and stuff like that. Very flexible cable. The main reason I picked these up is for using with a backpack setup. It's going to have a camera with a phone actually. I will be able to angle this and get it a little bit more out of the way, which appears to be the case, and that's good. Pop it in. Is it charging? It charges. So we're good with the GoPro. Let's see how many amps it's pulling. It says 0.4 amps. Let's try another one. This bigger cable has two of the little clamps, which is nice. Braiding makes it look clean. Definitely helps out. Feels good in the hands. Nikon Z5 works just fine with this cable and my charger, and it gets out of the way. See if it charges. Yep, picked it up. It's working. One more to try. Let's use the battery. In this case, let's try this other phone. See if it works. Yep, works just fine. They're consistent. All the cables appear to work just fine. The braiding is nice. They're very flexible, considering. They have a little bit of memory to the flexibility, which is nice as well. The big thing having that 90-degree angle on there, pretty cool, and a very substantial stress relief on it. Let's look at the Mrglas or Mrglas pack of USB-C to USB-A cables with the 90-degree angle on the USB-C side. The 10, 6.6, 3.3, and 1.6 foot in length. Scout of Tech, I suppose. See ya.